if the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equal to 24. So, if I have a number, odd or even, multiplied by 2, I guarantee that is even. Plus 1, I guarantee that is odd. So 2 consecutive, I can represent an odd number as 2x plus 1. Okay? So 2 consecutive odd number is 2x plus 1. The sum of these two is plus 2x plus 3 is the next one, is equal to 24. Find the product of these numbers. So let's find x. 2x for x, 3 plus 1 is 4, 24 minus 4 is 20, x is equal 5. So the numbers are, if I have 2x plus 1, I have 2 times 5 plus 1 is 11, so the next one is 13. Okay? So the product is 13 times 11. 13, 13, 143.